guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about the wild lucid dreaming technique. WILD stands for wake-induced lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming, if you were wondering, means you know you're dreaming when you're dreaming. You can do wild by setting an alarm 4 to 6 hours after you go to bed normally, which is usually 9 p.m. But when you get up from your alarm, turn it off and then go back to your bed if you're not on your bed, and then get into a comfortable position and lay still. Usually after about 10 to 15 minutes, you'll experience something called hypnagogia. It's basically where you see things that aren't real. It's not exactly hallucinations, it's just that seeing things behind your eyelids that aren't exactly real. And that's all hypnagogia is, but you want to stay still and keep that feeling and keep going until you feel like you're in a dream. But it'll take a while. It usually takes about 20-30 minutes for you to actually get into a dream. Some challenges are that you accidentally fall asleep. You accidentally forget to do the technique because when you wake up you're sleepy and sometimes you forget. But when you're doing the technique you can accidentally move. During the technique you go into sleep paralysis, and sometimes you can accidentally go into sleep paralysis, or you can go into an uncomfortable position and then you have to move and you start over. Some tips are: do a reality check 1 to 3 minutes after you think you're dreaming to make sure that you're dreaming before you move, because that could wake you up. It's not going to work when you normally fall asleep. If you fall asleep normally at 9, it's not going to work at 9 because REM stages don't happen at that time. Don't move too much after your alarm goes off so that you're still in that kind of sleepy state even though you still remember it. Don't make yourself uncomfortable before you go to bed or before you do the techniques so that you don't have to move and get up and do all the other stuff that I told you not to do. Don't get too excited once you're in the dream because you have a chance to wake up. And focus on noise or anything except sight because you're going to have your eyes closed until hypnagogia comes, which then you can focus on things from your sight. I hope you learned something, and thanks for watching my video today.